Well, how good does this look? Right, so as you saw in the last video, the bike didn't start first go, and that's because of this connector that goes down there, and it, I don't know if you can see, attaches under there, which is the crankshaft position sensor. Now I pulled this wire out by accident when we were fitting, or when we were taking the engine out. So this is something called a Molex connector. So it's engine proof. It is waterproof. You can see there's little rubber bungs. So I need to replace the pin. We've just managed to get the pin out. Little hammer in there that you push up and the pin just drops out. So now we're going to use a Molex crimper and hopefully fix it. And they look like this. Okay, it's 1 degree. It feels like it anyway. Airbox needs to go back in. The wiring's fixed, so we're just putting the fairings back on. Bike started up. Welcome back to my channel. We're giving the MT10 a test ride. Put my mirrors back to where I want them. Can't see anything. Make sure the cruise control's working. Yes, it is. Let's get that in the right place. Oh yeah! Oh, she feels good. Like I never left her. Cruising along real nice. So guys, thanks for everyone for watching my last video. Had a really good reception. Thanks for everyone commenting and, you know, just saying well done and blah 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 blah. I'm taking this super easy. I'm not used to this bike at the moment. I'm so used to being on an S1000RR. This feels alien. It feels like I'm on a chopper. Oh, it's comfortable though. Eager to go, I've noticed. Eager to just go. Might be the map. Taking it easy. It's my first proper test ride. Engine braking so instant compared to what I'm used to now, and I'm used to a downshifter, so I keep trying to downshift. Ooh, instantly confidence inspiring though. This bike feels instantly nicer to ride than my other bikes. Oh, it's so fast, just speeding straight away. I would like the map adjusted ideally. It's a little bit eager for me, if I'm honest. I need to go back to old JB at some point, or not. I don't know, maybe I can get used to it. Maybe it's just how it was and I've forgotten. But yeah, you'll notice it's a little bit naked here. I've not got the fairing on, and that's because I'm waiting for a bolt to turn up. A couple of bolts. Well, one of them holds the tank in on the left side. So I was too eager to wait for it. I just wanted to ride it, see if it's all right, you know. And she's good at the moment. Touch wood. So I'm just going to see how she rides. So you're joining me just for a little test ride. The camera's still rolling. I can see in the mirrors. Oh, so comfortable. Tell you what, the biggest difference from there, I can't hear myself think, it's that loud. See if I can like change up and see if it make a bit difference. Yeah, it's so damn loud. But yeah, I can fit both my cheeks on the seat, which is a nice change, because it just makes it so comfy. Good old MT10, she's back in the roam. I did go up the road initially and try a quick ride, but it felt really bad, and it was because I had 20 psi in the tyres. So I've pumped them up. I'm taking out again for a quick hoot. So far so good, touch wood. Seems to be riding quite nice. I haven't really gunned it as you've been on the ride with me since, well, 2 minutes after I took off, so. do want to give it a little bit of beans on this trip, because I do want to test it properly just to make sure she's okay and she's acting like she should be. But for the most part it'll be just a chilled ride. But yes, I had a bit of an issue with the cam chain, not cam chain, what am I talking about? The crank sensor. So it's a sensor, I've showed you at the beginning of the video, it's a sensor that tells the engine where the crankshaft is, and on the bike it was, yeah, didn't know, because I pulled a wire out and taken the engine out. But I've redone the pin, horrible Molex pins, redid that, and it seems to be absolutely fine. I cleared the code, because it came up with a fault position, a fault for the crank code. Quite so eager to pull away, it's a bit fucking not used to it anymore. I'm not used to it anymore. I'm not used to the suspension being this soft either. It's weird. I'm not used to it anymore. Yeah, I had a few comments about the well, I had a comment about my oil cooler. Did I replace it? Yes, I did. That's replaced. Did I flush it? Yes, with a bit of oil. But in all honesty, what's the point? Can't really flush them properly, can you? But yeah, I did that. Oh, it feels so nice and comfortable. Such a comfy bike to ride. Feels weird. I'm so used to like all my weight on the bars. I don't even know what time it is, my clock's not right. My rear brake is fucking sharp. Everyone knows you're coming in an MT10. That's what I do miss about the old, one thing about the BMW I have is I don't have a exhaust on it, and no one knows you're there. Everyone knows you're here on an MT. Right, let's give it its first little hoot. Oh my god, the front wheel just comes up straight away. I forgot how fun it is. Holy shit! I forgot an MT10's like being on a damn supermoto as soon as you open the throttle. You can't really accelerate on it that hard without the front wheel coming up. Engine sounds no difference at all. It's like it never came out. I'm so happy I've done it though. We've done it. This is sick. And I'd do it again on another bike if I had to. It's so damn smooth, this bike. It's one thing through the BMW's bars, it's so vibey, but this is silky. There's no vibrations through the bars. There's nothing through my hands or my bum. It's all the engine is doing its thing down there, and I can't feel anything. So yes guys, looks like the MT10 is good to go. By the time the next video will be out, I'll have this screw, this fairing will be back on, these will be back on, and it'll be all dandy, and we'll have the MT10 back. I'm not too sure what my plans are in the future, whether I want to keep the MT or sell it. I don't know. I haven't decided. I can't decide. But we'll see. I love it a lot, I know that. Oh, it's nice to be out on the old bike again. Still recording. I've still got battery. How is that possible? Yeah, it's been a stressful old couple weeks because I moved house in a few days, and I wanted to get this bike done to save me having to trailer it to the new house. But at least I'll have a garage at the new house to work on bikes and stuff like that, which would be cool. Looking forward to that. So hopefully I'll do a little bit of a garage build, but nothing spectacular. The tyres, I just instantly feel more comfortable on this bike going around a corner. It just instantly feels nicer. I think it's because I prefer Bridgestone tyres, which have a more sort of universal curve, whereas Dunlops and even Metzlers, they have that sort of like quite aggressive curve, so they drop in quick. Whereas this, it's nice and sort of, I don't want to say slow, but it's nice and sort of progressive. It's not just out of the blue. She's good. Oh, I love this bike. I can't sell it yet. I've got to have a few more miles out of it, I think. So nice to ride compared to a sports bike. And I was actually thinking I could live with a sports bike. Also, I was having a think the other day, when are they going to really revamp the MT10? Like, it's been talked about for a while now, and I feel that other bike manufacturers have taken bigger steps than what the MT has. I think they've stepped a little bit above. Although the MT is still a you know, a spicy recipe, it's still perfect, to be honest. It's such a great bike. I do think they need to play catch up a little bit, and they need to do like a drastic redesign, or you know, they're not selling the R1 in the UK anymore, so what are they going to do with the MT10? I know that I think they'll still probably sell it, but I'd like it to be a little bit more sleek, a bit more sporty, and maybe annoyingly up the power a touch, make it a little bit quicker, just because it has to be. Yeah, just cut in front, mate. Donkey. Fucking hell. What can you do, bro? What can you do? It's just full of them, isn't it? The world is just full of... Actually, no. The UK is just full of half-wit people like that. Hello. Oh, I love this bike. Sounds sexy. Clutch lever feels a bit wobbly. I don't like it. Need some nice ASVs. Feel free to go in the shop, my friend. I've got most of the day, but not all of it. I would like to go to bed. Let's give her some special juice in the form of Shell V-Power. Oh, it sounds good just pulling up to the petrol station. I miss it so bad. I miss her. I've missed her. Right, guys, I'm logging out. Ciao.